Now, a welding machine usually has two ports, the positive and the negative. And I don't know if it happens to you, but before I connect, I always pull the cable just to check which type of cable it is, just to connect the first one. And that informs me of connecting the other side. So to avoid this confusion, we have the solution. We are going to be using these two tapes. The green will going to symbolize the negative and the red for the positive. So we're going to go ahead and trim our green insulating tape. And once we are done with the trimming so that it can fit that pot, we're going to cut the tape and we're going to wrap it around that pot. So carefully, slowly wrap it around the pot, ensuring that you have a tight connection and a clean finish. Remember, as you do this, ensure that your machine is switched off and totally disconnected from the mains for safety reasons. Once we're done with the green, we're going to go ahead and connect the red onto the positive port. This will help us in easing our work and saving a lot of time when you're setting up for your welding sessions. And now we've done the green and red on the machine. So what remains now is to color code the cables. And we're going to start with a grounding clamp. And the grounding clamp connects to the negative, which is color coded with green. So wrap the green tape around the neck of your cable. And then we are going to do the same with the other cable, which is the arc, or the cable that holds the electrode, the positive cable. That is represented by the red. So anytime that you're preparing to weld, now it becomes easier to connect the cables to the corresponding colors. And that's how you make your welding more efficient and easy. Thanks for watching.